Whoa! Uh-oh. That was probably a mistake. Much of a mess here. I'm gonna try the acid bath now and see what it does to this. Citric acid, so I don't really know how much to put in here, but a couple shakes or two. Alright, well, it's been a couple hours. Still bubbling. I just don't want it to pit too much. Oh yeah. Seem to knock even more off. I think what I'll do now is neutralize it. I'll grab some baking soda, put maybe half a cup in there. Whoa! Yeah! Uh-oh. That was probably a mistake. Okay. Looking better. Okay. Most of the pits are out, but there's one right here. Right there. Finally, it's just this file for me. It's probably the easiest way to control this at this point. It is cutting, so that means it's pretty soft, which I think is good. And I guess you want to be able to sharpen your axe. Alrighty, so I filed a little bit. I've got it finally flat. It's not perfect, but I figured I'd just kind of come back to the diamond and just see if I can get this closer to perfect. Like it's shiny all the way through. There's a little pit right there. Depending on how I sharpen that, that might actually go away. If I put a little back bevel on the flat side, probably see that disappear. Alrighty, well, I'm going to try the belt sander here, just speed things up. It's going to take forever, but I put a new 80 grit belt on this thing, so that's going to take it down pretty quick. And I'm going to use this flat area. So I think I'm just going to take the blade off and put on a bigger rip blade. I have no idea what I'm doing. Show me again on the blade. What's the proper?
Okay, the teeth should be right at the edge.
So now I'm going to do is cut some side cuts with the saw, just for depth.
Cut a piece of purple heart as a wedge.